In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays to your Google Calendar, a full guide to ensure you never miss celebrating your loved ones again. Let's dive in. Start off by opening your Google Calendar. Make sure that you are logged into the same Google account that you're using for your calendar. This is crucial because you want all your changes to sync correctly. We're going to explore two options. The first method involves using Google Contacts, which can auto-sync with your calendar. Head over to Google Contacts. Here you can select a contact whose birthday you want to add. Once you've picked a person, click on the pencil icon to edit their details. This will allow you to make changes to their information conveniently. Scroll down to find the option to add a birthday. Here you can enter their birth date. Don't forget to click Save afterward. This step makes sure that any changes you made are updated and stored correctly. After saving, you might have to wait for a moment while things reload. You can even close this window and head back to your main contacts page. Just let everything refresh. And just like that, the birthday you just entered is synced into your calendar for every year. If you'd rather add a birthday manually, our second option is for you. Open up your Google Calendar and click on Create. Type in a title for the event, like Jake's birthday. It's important to leave this event set as an all-day event. This way, no specific time is tied to the birthday, allowing the reminder to span throughout the day. To ensure this reminder reoccurs each year, set it to repeat annually. This is a key step to making sure you're reminded of this event every year without having to re-enter the data. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll never miss a birthday again. This method really helps to organize your calendar, making sure you stay on top of important dates effortlessly. Whether you choose to auto-sync through Google Contacts or manually add them within Google Calendar, both are effective ways to ensure these notable dates are remembered. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now that you're equipped with these easy methods, birthday management through Google Calendar should be a breeze. Enjoy staying connected and never miss an important day again. See you in the next video where I'll be helping you tackle even more tech tips and tricks to simplify your digital life.